Hi, you'll agree with me that £150,000 is a lot of money. You know what? If you're going to send your child to study abroad from year 12 all the way to degree level, you're going to spend on average £150,000. Now, if you're going to spend that much money, you definitely want a very, very good return on your investment. What does that look like? You want to see great grades, you want to see them achieving very well, and you also want them not just to have the grades, but to have a great job at the end, possibly working in the country where they've studied. Now, for that to happen, you need to get the foundation right. You need to start very early. A lot of parents want these are their dreams, but they don't know how to go about it. They're pushing for the grades, which is amazing, which is what you need. But you need to push for more than the grades. You need to push for soft skills, networking, and all the other experiences that they get that will help them to be successful. So get the foundation right. If your child is going to start year 12 this year, now is the time to start to do something about it. What you want to do is send your child over to our soft skills workshop. It's on the 19th and the 20th of February. We're going to help your child to understand what they need to be doing when they move abroad to study. We're going to help them develop good communication skills. How do you communicate more effectively in the Western world? Good interpersonal skills, understanding body language, time management, goal setting. These are the things that we're going to cover that will help your child to settle in well and start to build a foundation that will give them good success, not just in their academics, but beyond school as well. I look forward to seeing your child at the workshop. It's on the 19th and 20th of February. Further details you'll see in the link down below.